Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade to a premium OneDrive plan using your Android phone. Whether you need more cloud storage for photos, videos, or work files, OneDrive offers flexible plans to suit your needs. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. After that, under the Account Settings section, tap on your personal account name. Now tap on Get More Storage. From here, you'll see different upgrade options like 50GB, 100GB, 1TB, or even 6TB. Choose the one that suits your needs. Then swipe it. Then select your saved credit card or add a new payment method if needed. Finally, tap on Subscribe to confirm your upgrade and enjoy more OneDrive storage instantly. That's it. You've now upgraded your OneDrive plan on Android.